Hello, welcome to ewiz Commerce. This product tour will give you an overview of our key features that have helped over 500 global businesses in growing their e-commerce presence successfully at speed and scale. Before we move on, let us introduce ourselves. We are part of Powerweave, a 20-year-old company offering e-commerce solutions and services to over 800 growing businesses across the world. Based out of Maryland, USA, with offices in UK and India, 20 years of e-commerce experience, more than $2 billion worth of transactions processed annually, 800 plus businesses, 1,700 plus member team. ewiz Commerce, a Powerweave brand. ewiz Commerce is an artificial intelligence-powered e-commerce platform which helps you to use your business data to sell better and faster. Our e-commerce AI helps you to identify your potential buyers, what they would like to buy and when. Using these insights, you can create personalized shopping experiences across multiple channels to boost your sales. It is being used by manufacturers, distributors, suppliers, and retailers across multiple industries for their B2B and B2C e-commerce needs. Let's now have a look at the key features. A mobile responsive AI-powered enterprise e-commerce store. ewiz Commerce is a SaaS platform. Thanks to our microservices architecture, we provide you with a fully customized, ready-to-sell online store, sometimes in even 30 days. You can now enter new markets before your competition and start selling more than ever. Go mobile. Your store built on ewiz Commerce is always mobile-friendly, so you are always present at your customers' fingertips. Also, this guarantees them an amazing shopping experience across all devices. Get noticed by new buyers. Your customers love to Google for new products. Therefore, ewiz Commerce ensures your store is SEO friendly. This makes you discoverable and helps you in getting noticed in search results when a prospective customer searches for your products. AI-powered marketing automation to help you create personalized shopping experiences to boost sales. Let's start with product recommendations. Our AI analyzes factors like location, past purchases, site activity to showcase highly relevant products your customers are most likely to buy. This helps in accelerating your customers' shopping journey. Personalized search. Our AI analyzes a customer's past activity to generate highly relevant search results every time a customer conducts a search on your platform. So, they discover relevant products, and that too quickly. Personalized banners and offers. Our AI segments your buyers into categories like high-volume buyer, seasonal buyer, etc. to help you create custom offers to trigger purchase decisions, so they get a personal touch every time they log in. Built-in marcom creator to help you automate lead generation. It's completely DIY. You can now create marketing collateral within minutes and start selling from day one using our DIY marcom creator. No need to spend on catalog creation ever again. Personalized catalogs. You can create thousands of personalized catalogs within minutes. Our intelligent AI decides what to sell, whom to sell, when, and at what price to give you a personalized catalog for each customer. Every time at the click of a button. Co-branding. Our marcom creator helps you empower your distributors and suppliers in selling your products. Your distributors and suppliers can create custom catalogs using their branding in minutes. Your partners can now plan and execute promotions anytime. Automation to help you save up to 2 hours a day. Guess the first one? Quick product information management. Our form-based control panel allows you to manage product information at 2 times the speed without any developer's help. You can also use our bulk upload feature to do it even faster for multiple products. Automated workflows. You can automate your daily tasks and bring in efficiency. For example, you can set up triggers, notifications, resize images in multiple sizes for upload in a single click. Use auto-tagging for adding tags to products as well as adding meta descriptions to make your pages SEO friendly. There's no limit. Integration with ERP. You can connect your store with your back-end business systems like ERP, CRM to keep a track of your inventory across one or multiple locations. Now you have a 360-degree view of your inventory. Isn't that smart? Ready APIs to help you operate digitally. Connect with your apps seamlessly. eCommerce comes with a ready API and documentation to facilitate quick and easy integration with your other business systems. Integration with your customer-facing apps. You can easily integrate your store with customer-facing apps like CRM, email apps, support apps, etc., and get end-to-end visibility on your customers' shopping journey. You will have one place for all your customer interactions. You can use this data to boost customer satisfaction. Integration with your ERP and OMS. This helps you shorten your order cycle. Your orders flow seamlessly and in real time to your ERP, where it can be picked, packed, and shipped quickly. 24/7 support. We know how important this is. Customized onboarding plan. To help you get started ASAP, we design a customized onboarding plan tailored to help you achieve your business goals. Tell us what you're looking for, and our e-commerce experts will work with you to help you achieve these goals. 24/7 support and training. Stuck somewhere? We are here. Our customer success experts are just a call away to ensure your e-commerce journey is smooth. Dedicated support packages. Some businesses have complex e-commerce needs. Sometimes these are time-sensitive. If you are one of those, don't worry. We offer dedicated support packages to help you focus on your business while we ensure your e-commerce platform works the way you want it to. E-commerce services. Your extended team of 1,700 plus e-commerce experts is here. Business support services. From launch services like implementation, data migration to daily processes like order management, product information management, we have you covered. Go-to-market services. Need help with your marketing? Our expert team, powered by AI-driven tech, will ensure you get fast to market and first to customers. Technical services. Need to build a powerful e-commerce stack that works for your business? We can help you in integrations, apps, and custom development in a way that works seamlessly with your e-commerce platform. World-class tech. Your site is powered by high availability infrastructure to ensure a 99.99% uptime. Trust us, we will never let you or your store down. Regular updates. eCommerce is PCI DSS compliant and handles more than $2 billion worth of transactions annually with no performance or security issues. You are in safe hands. SaaS platform. You don't have to worry about maintaining the platform. Our experienced team of 400 plus tech wizards work relentlessly to ensure that your platform is always updated with the latest revenue-driving features. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this product tour. We are sure that this helped you get a better understanding of eCommerce. If you have questions, you can always get in touch with us. Since this is a critical decision, we would highly recommend a personalized consultation with our e-commerce experts. You can reach out to us in your preferred way.